What's up, guys? So welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So guys, in this video, I'm going to break down a trade I took on Eurusd today, which was for the 1 to 4 weeks to reward. So I'm going to show you why I got into this trade, the idea behind this trade, and then so you could kind of like learn something from it. So this is Eurusd on the 15 minute. This week has been very annoying, just consolidating here and there. So this is like Monday was from around here, right? So as you can see, market has just been consolidating, nothing really going on. And I took a lot of losses from this whole consolidation. So the thing with trading is usually the best times to trade is when the market is trending downwards or upwards. But whenever the market is in a range like this right here, that's like the worst time you want to trade because the market will just be disrespecting your supply and demand zones anyhow and just be taking liquidity everywhere. So usually consolidating markets are like the worst times that you will want to trade. So I took a lot of losses. I think I took over like 8 trades or more from Monday to Wednesday, Monday to Wednesday, and then all of them were like most of them were losses. So I was down about 2R or 3R rather on my account. So I in fact didn't even want to trade again until next week. But then something happened on Wednesday that made me feel okay, I should probably look for selling opportunities today. So this was what happened. This break to the downside was what made me feel like, okay, we are still likely going to see this sell to the downside because if you look closely in this other flow, you will see that the market has been forming like lower lows, right? And lower highs. So, but then still, I wasn't like, I wasn't comfortable with the way the market was behaving. So I just wanted to chill out and then wait till next week when probably the market will have broken out of this range. So I took a trade earlier on the at this point right here when the market sold off to the downside, broke structure here to the downside. It came back and grabbed liquidity up here. When I saw this grab of liquidity, I felt okay, the market will likely continue pushing down to take out this flow. So I sold around here just for the market to come back up and take my stop loss before selling. It sold and then gave this new low. So when I saw the market give this new low, I knew okay, the market is still like it's still gonna go down further, it's still obeying this other flow. So I just waited to see liquidity taken to the upside here so that I will target a new low below here. Then during the Asian session, the market did this. It came and swept this liquidity right here. This liquidity you can see that I marked out. It swept it to the upside. So when the market swept the liquidity to the upside, I knew most likely we're not going to see this market come back to create another high right here. Why? Because it has grabbed liquidity here and it has respected this other block. Let's see if we can see another block right here. Exactly. So you can see there's another block on this 30 minutes, even though it's not the cleanest of other block, but this is like the last high that created this low right here. So when I saw market come and sweep out liquidity, this is the liquidity resting here, relative equal highs. So when I saw this market sweep this liquidity around this Asian high here, and then push down to give a like to sweep this Asian low, I knew most likely we're already gonna see a continuation of this bearish move. I knew most likely price will not come back to this high right here. Then I went to the lower time frame and then I saw this again. Let's go to 5 minutes. So on the 5 minutes, the market did this, gave this very strong bearish push to the downside. And before the bearish push, you see that it also grabbed liquidity right here and then gave this wicks, consolidated for a while, then pushed to the downside. So immediately I saw this, I was like, nah, it has to be now. So I just waited for the pullback into this breakout block right here. In fact, actually was trying to target this other block here, but I just felt probably the market will not get to it before it sells. So I just used this breakout block as my entry and put my stop loss right here. Ideally, my stop loss is supposed to be above this wick right here. My stop loss is supposed to come all the way up here, but then I didn't want my stop loss to be I didn't want my stop loss to be more than 10 pips. So I just left it right here because I felt most likely the price may not even come all the way here. And I was very lucky actually because it almost got to my stop loss. But then it consolidated for a while, then broke out to the downside. So this was it. 1 to 4 hour. That was just the whole idea behind this trade. So going into tomorrow now, Friday, what I feel, and my target, I was actually just targeting this week right here, even though I closed before it got to the week. So going into tomorrow, what do I think the market will do? I feel the market, I'm hoping that the market will like buy to this point right here during the Asian session. If the market buys and comes up like this, fills in this imbalance, tomorrow I'll be looking to short it. I'll wait to see the market give us like some change of character to the downside. Then we'll short it and target this low. So tomorrow's target will be right here. We'll target this low tomorrow. So I just hope I want to see the market do something like this. I want to see the market push up here, maybe all the way here, sir. Then we'll look to short it back to this low right here. So this is what I'm looking at. If we can see this tomorrow, we can see this tomorrow on Euro USD. It's gonna be cool. But anyways, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you got some value from this. If you did, don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button, guys. So cheers and see you guys in the next one.